Afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
So before I get started, you have all these wonderful signs that you produced. If you could just hold them up so that we could see them all.
Oh,
Yes.
And I hope the drones that are overhead are getting a copy of that. Thank you. I'm honored to stand among so many people of different walks of life, faith, and political persuasion. We are here today to unite with Delaware's Muslim American community at Legislative Hall, a place where we represent all Delawareans, regardless of their faith or their background. But before we get started, I'd like to recognize again recognize my colleagues that are here today in support of you. So if we can give them a great round of applause. We've all joined together for one common goal, unity. It's an ideal that is central to American values and the inspiration behind institutions like the Pledge of Allegiance. Every day, millions of people across the country say the Pledge of Allegiance, from Boy Scouts to Girl Scouts to police officers. And every time we hit the gavel in session, the General Assembly stands together and recites the Pledge of Allegiance. I don't take those words lightly, and no one should. So what I'd like everybody to do is take a moment and look up to our American flag, and all of us say the Pledge of Allegiance. And if our young children could start us out, that would be great. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Think about those words for a minute. We stand one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those words certainly have meaning, but I am a stalwart believer that actions speak louder than words. Quite simply, America is a nation of immigrants. It's ignorant to disregard our history and the melting pot of cultures that come through Ellis Island. The cultures make our country distinctively different. Many people faced discrimination then, and we shouldn't stand for that kind of divisive action today. Our country is facing tumultuous times, and our American values are under attack. But we cannot let hatred, fear govern our policies or our dialogue. Bottom line, our Muslim American friends are Delawareans. They are business owners, and they are students, which we have right here today, CEOs and doctors. They are mothers and fathers, and they are an integral part of the fabric of Delaware. Our individual ideals and values make us unique, and we should use those differences to create a rich culture of understanding and inclusion, not division. We have one common goal. We all take pride in the state of Delaware. We shouldn't differentiate between my God or their God. It's our God. It's our nation, and it's our Delaware. As legislators, we are the voice of our state. We represent all of Delawareans and the issues that matter to them. We have to learn from our mistakes from previous generations made and how they've treated people who were different. We have to be better than our predecessors. And we have to set the right example for our children for future generations. Thank you to our Muslim American community and their supporters for taking this journey to Legislative Hall. Your actions today send a strong and powerful message that hatred has no place in Delaware. You have shown in such a peaceful and respectful manner that you deeply value the community uniting together. It's often said that Delaware is a microcosm of the entire country. We have to take that characterization seriously and unite in one common belief that all faiths and cultures have a place in our first state. Thank you.